If you're a mortgage broker looking to generate leads on autopilot, search engine optimization or SEO can be your best friend. While paid ads and social media might get you quick wins, SEO builds long-term visibility and authority, bringing in a consistent, high-quality leads who are already searching for your service. Now, in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how SEO works for mortgage brokers and why it matters, and practical steps that you can take to start showing up in search results. So the first thing is, what is SEO and why should you care as a mortgage broker? Well, SEO is the process of optimizing your website so it ranks higher on search engines like Google. The higher your site ranks, the more likely potential clients are going to find you when searching for things like best mortgage broker in, say, your town, or help with first-time buyer mortgages, or do I need a mortgage broker? By showing up in these searches, you attract leads who are already in decision-making mode, and that's going to be powerful. So let's break it into some easy steps to follow. So step one is nail your niche and your keywords. Start by identifying your niche and your location. Are you focused on first-time buyers, self-employed applicants, or remortgages? Combine that with your local area to form the basis of your keyword strategy. For example, first-time buyer and mortgage advisor in Liverpool, or remortgage help for self-employed in Surrey. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Uber Suggest, or even ChatGPT to brainstorm keyword ideas. So step two is optimizing your website pages. So here's where the magic happens. Every page on your website should be built with both your user and Google in mind. Key areas to focus on with this are page titles and meta descriptions. So make sure you include your target keywords naturally in this. The other one is headings. So your H1s and your H2s when making your website. So you want to use certain questions as headings. For example, how much can I borrow as a first-time buyer? Another one is local SEO. Mention your location, register with Google business profiles, and get listed on local directories. You also want to do call to actions. So these are every page should make it clear for visitors to book a call to fill in a lead form to see if they need a mortgage. The third step you have is create regular SEO optimized blog content. So blog posts will help you rank for long tail search queries. These are specific questions your audience is Googling. For example, what is the difference between a mortgage broker and a bank? Or can I get a mortgage with bad credit in the UK? Answering these questions in blog posts, they build trust and drives traffic. Make sure though that it includes all the relevant keywords, that you break the content into digestible sections. You want to add images and or infographics where possible, and also link it to service pages and internal content on your website. This is going to help it even more. You can also repurpose FAQ style answers from your client conversations into blog posts to make the process quicker and more authentic. Step four you've got is get backlinks and reviews. So Google sees backlinks, which is other websites linking to yours, as a vote of confidence. You can earn these by writing guest posts, or for local property websites, you could get listed on directories like Unbiased or Vouched For. You could ask clients to leave Google reviews and link to your site. Now, a little tip on this is social proof in the form of a Google review also improves your local SEO rankings as well. Now, if you found this helpful, the next step then is to watch my video on screen, which is content marketing in mortgage lead generation. In this video, I break down how to turn SEO traffic into warm leads using content that builds trust, showcases your expertise, and positions you as the go-to mortgage broker in your niche. Go on, give it a click.